Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So right here I have the Litom book light, and I'm going to take a look and see what's in the box. I've done some other products from Litom, like a solar outdoor light, so you can check those out, and they have a lot of illumination and lighting products out on the market, and I'll share the link below. You can check those out. But this one here is a book light that they put out. So this is the box it comes in, and it's kind of cool. Now, I've seen some other brands have something similar, but this is their version of it. So here it is. Kind of looks like a little snake thing. Now, this is the hard plastic here, so that's not going to go anywhere. But then there is a connector right on the back, USB-C connector to charge the rechargeable batteries. But pretty much how this works is you put it around your neck, and you can adjust these pieces here and set it to where you want to shine a light. So if you're reading a book, working on a laptop at night, and you just want a little bit of a light, or even, hey, working maybe on a car or whatever, you can have this around your neck and be able to work on something like that easily. So there are a few different modes here. 4 LEDs actually built in, so total 2 on each side, so total 4. 3 different levels, as well as 1 watt total and USB charge. So let's see if that's going to show you right there. They're pretty bright. And kind of what I did notice is the color temperature of each of the lights is slightly different. So this one you have a little bit of that tungsten, I believe it is. So it's a little bit more orange, where this one is that natural daylight. So it's a little bit more blue and real true white. So depending on what you want to look at. So you got the different levels there. That's pretty cool. And now I didn't even charge this. This is right out of the box. So I'm going to test it out, see how it works, see how long it lasts, and I will get back to you in the full review. So there you have it. This is the Litom adjustable and flexible book light. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do, and I'll see you soon.